Good evening. We are Team Tech Spans. Choosing a locality is difficult, especially when we cannot go to the physical location nor we can get data on safety analysis of the locality. Satellite data provides us night, light, demographic, and various other data which can be processed and analyzed, which gives us insights on locality, safety, and other parameters helpful for a common user like me. Even though satellite data is available, but it lacks reliable data processing service and it is not widely reachable to many citizens. With TechSpace, we bridge the gap between user and data. We provide cutting edge data analysis tools which provide comprehensive insights for individual and commercial application. Comparative studies shows that TechSpace provides to be better than other GIS and aerial imaging in area cost, application and user interface.
Now, coming to the product demo, how our product works is any guest user can use the product directly. The free plan has some functionality, while there is an option to upgrade to premium. Just enter the location and then you can get the results directly. The free plan has 2 data points with the results and there are ads. You can only show the results when you sign in. Registering on the platform gives you is very easy and a one-step process. Registering does not remove the ads but gives you an option to save your results and access your dashboard. Also, you can engage in the open science projects after registering. Now, the dashboard is how it looks like. So there are the total searches done, your saved searches are also there, and the insights are also available. Now, coming to the premium option, it is ad free. There are 5 data points in the prototype with additional options for custom data collection, storage, getting insight reports after data processing, and you can also start your own common citizen science project. So these are the few projects available, and the project tab is under the engagement place. Now the premium subscribers can start the project while any registered user can engage in it. Now the insight and the reports are very important for giving us few parameters which has a wide impact in the social and environmental sphere. They are for the welfare of the country and they range from women's safety, social distancing to civic research, disaster management and ecological analysis. The government and NGOs can make the decision based on our insights and take critical decision with a better statistics.
Right now, we don't have any prototype cost, but as we expand, some charges will be incurred, details of which are shown in the slide. We plan to release our basic version first with some targeted publicity. Later, as we improve our product and have some market response data, we plan to enter more domains and reach out to a larger segment of people. Thank you.